Hello, my name is Josh Linkner, tech entrepreneur, author, venture capital investor, jazz guitarist, and hopefully a keynote speaker for you at an upcoming event. In your healthcare organization, my sense is you probably want somebody who can deliver on stage, delivering with tons of energy, rich storytelling, lots of humor, and get your audience fired up. But at the same time, you need somebody that has some relevant experience and can give people practical tools that they can deploy directly into their work in the healthcare world. I hope that I can be that person. First of all, I deliver over 100 keynotes a year. I've been doing this for a long time, and I understand exactly what it takes to motivate an audience, to get them energized and inspired, not with cheesy platitudes, but with rich content and surprising truths. In terms of healthcare specifically, I have the privilege to sit on the board of trustees at Beaumont Health, a large hospital system in Detroit. I grew up in a healthcare family. My grandfather was a general practitioner doc. My uncle is an MD at the University of Michigan, and he's actually a homeopathic doctor as well. So I've had some interesting exposure. Furthermore, I've had the privilege to speak or consult with people throughout the entire world of healthcare, from pharmaceutical companies to direct primary care physician groups and hospital systems to associations, big and small. So I've had kind of a holistic view of exactly where the challenges and opportunities lie in the field of healthcare. And here's what I've learned. As you know, it's a complex world. I mean, there's intense regulatory burden, there's difficult payer-payee relationships, there's all kinds of nuances, and of course, prioritizing patient health in the context of rapid change and technological advancements. So what I can do with that context in mind is share with people how they can be innovative directly in their daily work. Doesn't mean they're going to take irresponsible risks, certainly not with a patient. But more importantly, how can we drive better patient outcomes and better business outcomes by injecting innovation system-wide? How can we get people thinking and acting in more creative ways, adapting to change, and ultimately elevating their organizations and the results for patients? So if I have the privilege to speak with you and your audience, I will custom craft, not a canned keynote, custom craft a topic that's going to meet the needs and be highly relevant to your folks. I will inject specific examples from within the field of healthcare and also examples from outside of the field so people can get a well-balanced, well-rounded perspective, making key messages memorable and impactful. And finally, it's going to be a lot of fun. My team and I are low maintenance, easy to work with. Together, we will co-create an environment that's going to be high energy, actionable, and ultimately move the needle for you and your group. Thanks so much for your consideration. I would be delighted to contribute and again, custom craft a highly relevant healthcare keynote for you. Thanks again.